In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Airtable. Whether you're managing leads, tracking client progress, or handling support tickets, creating a form in Airtable is a seamless way to collect and organize information. Let's dive right in and make the process as smooth and efficient as possible for you. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Airtable base. Navigate over to your Airtable dashboard. Once there, select the base where you'd like your submissions to be stored. This base is your central hub for data, and within it, you'll be setting up your form to capture new entries directly into a specific workspace. Now that you've got your base open, the next step is to choose the specific table that will receive the form responses. Think of your table as the destination for all the data you collect. For instance, you might have tables labeled as leads, clients, applications, orders, or perhaps support tickets. Each form submission will automatically become a new row in whichever table you choose, effectively organizing your data and making it easily accessible for future reference. Once you have selected the correct table, it's time to create the form view. To do this, you'll want to focus your attention on the left sidebar in your Airtable window. You'll notice an option that says plus add a view. This is where you'll begin crafting the form. Click on this option and you'll see a list of different view types pop up. From this selection, you'll want to choose Form. After selecting Form, it's time to name your form. This name should be descriptive of its purpose to ensure clarity, especially if you're managing multiple forms across your Airtable base. Once you've settled on a suitable name, click on Create New Form. This action generates a blank form template that you can now tailor according to your needs. Congratulations, you have now successfully created a form in Airtable. From here, you have the ability to customize your form's fields to match the data you've identified as essential. This setup offers the flexibility to add specific fields, adjust settings, and even customize the form's appearance to make it align with your visual preferences. This process not only aids in systematizing the input of information, but also significantly enhances the efficiency and accuracy of data collection and storage within your Airtable base. Each submission is neatly organized in the table of your choice, facilitating a well-structured approach to managing your information flow. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these steps helpful as you create and customize forms within Airtable to best suit your unique workflow requirements.